Alright, this is going to be quick because it's 1:36 in the morning. So, you just downloaded Scriptr, but you don't know what the fuck to do. Well, welcome to this video. So, once you have exported, or unzipped it, what you're going to do is um, click this button. Don't, just ignore this. I don't know what this is for because I haven't actually gone into it, but just click this, and once you do, it'll open this window. There are multiple things, but what you're going to do is just leave this like this because it's actually what you start with. You can also maximize it though. Um, what you're going to do is there are a few buttons here: add scene, rename scene, delete scene, save story, and then preview the story. First is add the scene. It's going to bring this window. It opened my monitor, other monitor, I just brought it over. You're going to type in the scene. You can put it whatever here you want. I just put on start. And quick thing, make sure to select it because if you don't, it won't register as typing in that scene, so it won't exist. So you're going to type here. This is not required. I'll get to it in a minute. Get to it in a minute as to why. But we're just gonna do it here just to show you. Add char. Or that's not what you do. Hold on. Oh, I'm not typing in here anymore. Add char equals ace, and then add char equals narrator. That's easy. Then you do ace, hello, narrator, hola. So this, when you save it, should up here, ignore this. We're gonna name it as toot2 story file save. So now we can preview. This is normal. This isn't like a glitch or a bug. This is just like as an extra save just in case. Okay, and it works. Then, however, you add hello. Oh no, ace, and then la. Nope. This is where things get fun. Make sure to save the individual scenes just in case. Add scene. Give it to this thing. Let's do hello. Once again, make sure to select it. Saves. And save that. Okay. Add scene. Hola. Narrator. Oops. That. Save. Okay. And then just normal. Boom. It opens this. You get two options. You can do hello. Have to preview it again because I still have to figure out to add a back feature. And then you could do hello or hola. I think I did hola. I want to do both of them again. We did hola. So now we're gonna do hello. This adds the characters, but I'll get to why this isn't exactly important for the script. Um, even though when I deleted it, even though when I deleted it says undefined. Um, but yeah, so this is the character syntax. I don't know if you need this part here, but I'd recommend keeping that just in case and having a narrator character. These are the choices, and then I'm pretty sure I could do. Nope. Comments. That's not there. Save. So the comments are ignored. Excuse me? That's. Oh, yeah. Comments aren't ignored. Pretty sure then if I. Pretty sure then if I fix it, like save. Yeah. Okay, so comments aren't ignored, unfortunately, so comments can't be added. Sorry. I dropped my ring. I'll read it later, but yeah, so that's cool. But the reason why these aren't important is because you go into here, you can export it as HTML. Do that. Save it as toot two. Okay, go into File Explorer. Oh wait, I forgot to mention I was running into a bunch of issues during development. So because I didn't know anybody that was actually active to help me with debugging, I had to resort to using AI. I know it's bad, but I didn't have any other choice. But that's Stream Reader. But hopefully once I get a job, I can start hiring developers to help me, or just a developer. But yeah, so sorry if you don't like it, but yeah, so this is why those aren't necessary. Um, because this happens. And these shouldn't be shown. As you can see, when you preview a story, that doesn't show up at the preview. So what you can do is you can delete this. Oh, right, you can't delete this. Save. Okay. Preview it, and it'll say undefined. But what you got to do is just ignore that. Because when you do export as HTML to go over here, reload it, that disappears. So realistically, that isn't really needed if you're going to release this to the world. The best thing too is if you do have Dreamweaver here, you can open, scroll up, downloads, open Toot 2, and add your own style right here. The stylus is right here. So you can customize it to your preferences. You can make it as detailed and cool as you want. But the reason I made this is because I like making things on like visual novels and stuff, but I can't do visual novels. There's too much work that goes into that. So I wanted to do interactive text stories, but there wasn't really much of a way to do those. So I made Scriptr as an easy way to do that. Um, there might be some other syntax I still have yet to cover, but most of those don't work yet, which includes the rollback. So yeah. Thankfully this one is actually like much shorter than my other one. The other one was fucking 14, 15 minutes. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial helps. Over time, when I ever add new features, I will update this tutorial. Um, and please remember, Scriptr is in its very, very, very early stages. It is the first thing I've ever created that's this intense. Um, on my own, aside from AI's help, but still, it's the first thing I've done like this. I've never made a coding language before, and the fact I've done it is shocking to me. But yeah, so if you've been able to make it this far, thank you so much for having an interest in Scriptr. I will link the site in the description down below so you can go download it for yourself. And if you're a parent watching this, your kid showed it and he's interested in it, I'd like to tell you that this is not malware. I'm a literal 15-year-old who has no interest in doing that to people's devices. I don't even know how to fix issues with Python, so I don't even know how malware works, but the point is, I'm 15, I was bored and wanted to make this. I think I've made it over the course of, what day is it, statistics, so 4 days? Yeah, 4 days. I'm pretty sure I've made this over the course of 4 days. Motivation kind of destroyed me. But anyways, thank you for taking an interest in Scriptr. I genuinely hope you enjoy it. The website will be in the description so you can go download it yourself, and there's a devlog there, so go check that out. I don't know why I did that. Um, my Instagram will also be in the description in case you run into any bugs or errors that should be brought to my attention. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I genuinely hope you enjoy this project. And once again, this is completely free. There is no payments, and any money that comes to me will wait until I get a job. I don't want people to feel like they have to pay for this. Even though it may not be that good, I still want to produce something amazing for you guys. Hope you enjoy Scripter. Also, I don't know if it works on Mac or anything else, so I'd recommend only trying this on Windows until I'm able to find out if it is. So yeah, bye.